Brothers build best.
Prototype take 2.
Welcome back to Brothers Build Best. We build the best stuff and we're brothers. I'm Alexander. My brother's David. My dad is Dad. This is Christmas tree. He says hi.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the phone stand from the last video. And today we're going to make it even better. And we're going to do step by step.
Because brothers build best. Okay, Dave, you had some good pointers on what we could do different. Some changes to be made. What do you think? Will you share those?
Maybe not mixing the screw show, and maybe
Clean that channel up.
like sand it and make it taller.
Make it taller. And we're also going to be using a different wood. This is made out of oak. It was just a piece of scrap wood, but we've gathered all of this wood that we can sand up, clean up, and it's cedar. Cedar's easier to work with. So yeah, we're going to make some cedar phone stands.
Yay! Yay!
Okay, first things first, we need to cut this to size.
There.
Drop the line. Make sure that this is flush. This is all, so you don't want it like that because then your angle changes. You want it to be against it. Okay, so that'll be our 20-degree cut. Rather, because that's where everything goes. So I'm just going to stand on this side. Keep our hands clear of what area, Al? The blue. We don't want to put our hands in there yet. Okay, here we go. Here, Dave, measure that.
Dude, did you forget to like and subscribe? Well, do it right now. And you should see our next video.
Nice.
Looks pretty good, huh? That fit nicely? Everything nice and flush?
Yep. What?
Yeah, that looks good. Good angles?
Yep.
Yeah, that's a nice tight fit.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Okay, so like we discussed, we're going to make some changes to this. We're going to make it maybe more decorative. And we can do some edge profiles around this, kind of make it nice and pretty. And so we can do that with this thing. This is a router. And this is called a 1/4 inch round or round over. And what it does is it takes this squared edge and makes it round. Got your glasses on?
Yep. Safety first.
Yeah. So that's your nice round over right there. Took that sharp edge, made it round. But we're going to make it a little bit more detailed by lowering this platform a little bit, and we're going to stick that corner bit in there just a little bit to create the OGEE.
OGEE.
See it now?
Oh yeah.
Then you can also do the double OG.
OG with 2 E's.
See that? What do you think? Round over, single OG, or double?
Double OG.
Double?
10.
And then this just snaps right in, look. You know how to take it out? Hey, Dave, do you know how to take this one out?
Yep.
Yep, okay. In really tight. You want this to be squeezing it, or else when you're drilling, this material in here is going to twist sideways. Click that little button right here. I'll pop it up. Watch your fingers. That looks pretty good. Good clean pocket holes right in the middle. We're going to add just a little bit of glue here. Okay. Oh, and there's a little piece of wood in there. We don't want a piece of wood in there because then it doesn't glue very well. Good. There.
What if the first person to subscribe and leave a comment gets the phone stand that we're building today for free? Gets it for free. Isn't that insane? Ah!
So Dave, Al, we completed our prototype. We completed our first model.
The one that we're gonna sell to someone? No, give it to someone.
Somebody.
Yeah, the first subscriber, which might be you. Subscriber.
Okay, so Dave, what were some of the things you wanted to see changed about that?
Make it taller.
Hold on. Did we make it taller?
Yeah, we did.
Made it taller. What else?
We should make this smooth.
Smooth. We rounded that so when the cord bends up and over, it doesn't get cut. Smooth.
And then maybe make this not as wiggly wobbly.
So wonky. We got a nice straight line.
Wow. And make this not show, and we
The
didn't.
screw holes.
Yep.
No
and
more screw holes. Oh, we wanted to clean the edges up so they're not so sharp.
Yep. And we wanted to make this OGEE.
Yeah, there you go. The OGI or the OG.
Double E.
You happy with it?
Yeah. Yeah. This one
Let's see.
they definitely look better. This one definitely looks better.
Hold the phone.
As a phone holder. Merry Christmas!
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.